In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get Claude AI for free. While Anthropic's Claude is often seen as a premium tool for writers, coders, and researchers, the good news is there are still several legit ways to access it without paying anything. Firstly, the best place is to start the official Claude platform at Claude AI. You can sign up using your email or download the app on iOS and Android. In 2026, the free tier usually give access to models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet along with features like the Artifacts interface, which lets you view documents, code, and even mini web outputs alongside your chat. The only limitation is a daily usage cap, so once you hit your limit, you'll need to wait for it to reset. Next, you can visit other platforms like Perplexity AI, another great free option. While you don't always manually pick Claude as a model, it often uses Claude style reasoning behind the scenes to generate detailed, cited answers combined with live web search. This makes it super useful for students, researchers, and content creators who need accurate, up to date information. Likewise, you can also try privacy focused platform like DuckDuckGo AI. Navigate to the website DuckDuckGo and open the AI chat section. In some various versions, you can select models similar to Claude, like Claude 3 Haiku, depending on availability. The big advantage here is privacy, no account required, and your chats are not tied to your personal profile, making it great for quick anonymous questions. And that's it. Even without paying, you still have multiple ways to experience Claude AI in 2026, whether it's through the official free tier, privacy focused chat tools, or research assistants like Perplexity. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.